The magic seeds. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green meadows, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily loved exploring the woods near her home, where tall trees whispered secrets and colorful flowers bloomed. One sunny day, while wandering deeper into the forest, Lily stumbled upon a peculiar old man with a long beard. He smiled warmly and handed her a small pouch. "These are magic seeds," he said. "Plant them with kindness, and watch what happens." Excited, Lily rushed home and planted the seeds in her garden. She watered them with care and sprinkled them with love, just as the old man had instructed. Days passed, and tiny sprouts emerged from the soil. Lily tended to them diligently, singing songs to encourage their growth. One morning, Lily woke up to find her garden transformed into a riot of colors. Bright flowers of every hue bloomed everywhere, filling the air with a sweet fragrance. Her neighbors marveled at the sight and praised Lily for her beautiful garden. As the days went by, Lily noticed something magical happening. The more she helped others, watering a neighbor's plants, sharing her toys, the more vibrant and healthy her garden became. Curious, Lily visited the old man again and shared her discovery. He nodded knowingly. "Kindness is like magic," he said. "When you sow seeds of goodness, they blossom into joy and beauty not just for you, but for everyone around you." From that day on, Lily made it her mission to spread kindness wherever she went. She helped the elderly carry groceries, cheered up friends when they were sad, and always greeted strangers with a smile. Sure enough, her acts of kindness continued to bear fruit. The village became happier and more united. People started helping each other more, inspired by Lily's example. One evening, as Lily tended to her now famous garden, the old man appeared once more. "You've learned the secret of the magic seeds," he said with pride. "Remember, kindness is the greatest magic of all." The story of Lily and the magic seeds teaches us that small acts of kindness can have a big impact. Just like the seeds in Lily's garden, our good deeds can grow into something beautiful and make the world a better place.